tayo. Eh, mag-ingat ka. Mahal na mahal ka namin. I love you. Mahal na mahal kita, Pedro, bro. Hanggang sa pagtanda natin, mahal na mahal kita. Nasasabi ka ko sa'yo, Pedro.
Kailan ba yung huli niyo yung pagkikita?
Nung 2020 ko kita.
First time nila magkita after 65
Right to terminal free departures.
Sana all, mahal na mahal, sana all. I love you. Hello guys, welcome to the Asibroad Vlogs again. And we are here at the NINOY AQUINO International Airport Terminal number 3 as we will be departing Metro Manila after arriving here from Bangkok yesterday. So we are now here at the gate, but the thing is we were not able to take a video as we enter because you know the security guard is so tight. So I'm now inside departure areas. This is what you can see. This is the view inside as you get in. Actually, it's improving already from what it was before, from the worst airport. We are very proud as Filipino that our airports now are improving slowly, so I hope this will continue. So this actually is 4th level of the airport already, where you can relax and don't worry about your safety because there is a police outpost at the 4th level while waiting for your flight. So when you feel hungry, again, nothing to worry because there are a lot of food shops in here. There is Shaky for your favorite pizza, and yeah, the favorite of our kids is also here, Jollibee, and even not just kids. Okay, and if you are into good health, like you can go into this a shake. A fresh fruit is also here, but the price is not that friendly because I ordered one and it's so pricey. But of course, the weather in the Philippines now is so hot, so we cannot say no when we could see those cold drinks. There is also 7-Eleven at the 4th level of NINOY AQUINO International Airport Terminal number 3, so you can go there if you would like to save your money. And this is again terminal number 3, commonly used by Cebu Pacific Airlines. There are other airlines also using, but dominantly it is used by Cebu Pacific Airlines. So if you would like to buy a souvenir for your friend who will be picking you up at the airport where you are arriving, so you can buy a Nike product in here, Adidas also, and many brands are here like Victoria's Secrets for your perfume and other products of Victoria's Secrets that you want to buy for your friends, for your family, or waiting for you at home, so you can buy it here at the airport if you forgot to buy some. This is again the view taken from the 4th level of NINOY AQUINO International Airport Terminal number 3, and we are still walking. And there guys, you can see if you forgot your sunglasses or you lost it while traveling to the airport, so nothing to worry because you can buy it here. But as I said, it's really pricey when you have to buy it at the airport, so be careful about everything that you have, especially sunglasses. It's common for many people that they forgot or maybe they lost their sunglasses, so do something that it will not be easily lost while traveling. And we are continually walking, and if you can see, it's equipped with escalators, actually even elevators there is at this airport, and it's getting huge as time goes by because before, I can compare it, this airport really is, I would agree that it is one of the worst airport in the past, but nowadays I am so proud being one of the Filipinos that it's getting better nowadays, and we hope that it will continue to get better, and one of these days it will be one of the best medium airport in the world, hopefully. Okay, cross finger on that. And as I kept walking around the airport, I saw that a reporter of PTV4, they are doing the coverage of the passengers both arriving and departing from NINOY AQUINO International Airport Terminal number 3. So I did not sit down, I'll just keep walking around the airport so you could be able to see the beauty of this airport here in the Philippines. So this is again Metro Manila Airport, and the name of this NINOY AQUINO International Airport terminal number 3 because there are 4 terminals in this airport. We have terminal number 1, which is commonly used by international airlines, the bigger airlines, and then we have NINOY AQUINO International Airport terminal number 2, which is used by Philippine Airlines, and this is terminal number 3 used by Cebu Pacific, and terminal number 4 is used by Air Asia. So when you are flying with Cebu Pacific, you will be at the terminal 3, but soon there will be a changes of the terminals because terminal number 2 very soon will be used for domestic flights, and terminal number 3 will be used as international for the international flights. So anyway, I'm still coming soon, but for now terminal number 3 is used for both international and domestic flights of Cebu Pacific. So let's continue walking, and as you see, you can see Wendy's and Coffee Express. There are a lot of coffee shops also up at NINOY AQUINO International Terminal number 3, so nothing to worry. And if you'd like to have your massage, there are 2 spas that I saw on the 4th level of terminal number 3. So whatever massage you'd like, they offer it unto you, but as I said, it's a bit pricey comparing to what it is outside of the airport, but it's normal. Also, McDonald's is there, and Krispy Kreme is also there. So if you would like to buy sweets for your loved ones, for your kids at home, you can buy it at the airport on the 4th level. You can see there are a lot of people in this airport, and we are now entering into our boarding gate. So it's really now Philippines, because before we can ride the airplane, we have to go into bus ride first, and that's Cebu Pacific style. Thank you for watching.